Welcome to Dynamic LED, and thank you for choosing us for your lighting project. If your lighting system uses color-changing bulbs or LED strips, this video will show you how to replace and pair a bulb, unpair it when needed, and move it to a different zone. If you're working with an LED strip, the process is very similar. Instead of removing a bulb, you'll disconnect the negative wire from the controller to remove power to the strip. Your remote may look slightly different from the one shown here. This demonstration uses a 4-zone remote, but the basic operation is very similar across all models. At the bottom of the remote, you'll see your zone controls. On a 4-zone remote, that means 4 separate numbered buttons. Each zone has an on button and an off button. Anytime you replace a color-changing bulb, that bulb needs to be paired to a zone on your remote before you can control it. Before replacing a bulb, make sure you have the correct replacement for your fixture. Dynamic LED offers replacement bulbs for compatible systems, so if you need a replacement, you can order the correct option directly from Dynamic LED. In this first example, we're working with a landscape fixture, but the same pairing process applies to other compatible fixture types as well. The first step is to make sure power is turned on to your fixture. Next, remove the lens cover from the fixture, then gently pull the bulb straight out. There is a spring clip inside the fixture that holds the bulb in place, so a little resistance is normal. Install the new bulb securely into the fixture. This next part needs to be timed carefully, so make sure your remote is within arm's reach before you begin. As soon as the new bulb powers on, press the on button for the zone you want to assign it to 3 times quickly. If the pairing is successful, the bulb or LED strip will flash green. If you do not see a green flash, remove the bulb, wait 5 seconds, reinstall it, and try again. If you would like to unpair a bulb or move it to a different zone, you'll first need to unpair it from its current zone. To find the current zone, press the off button below each zone on your remote, 1 zone at a time, until the bulb turns off. That tells you which zone the bulb is currently assigned to. Turn the bulb back on, remove it from the fixture, wait 5 seconds, and then reinstall it. As soon as the bulb powers on, press the on button for the bulb's current zone 5 times quickly. If the unpairing is successful, the bulb will begin flashing red. That means it has been unpaired from your remote and is now ready to be assigned to a new zone. To pair it to a new zone, simply repeat the pairing step shown earlier in this video. And that's it. Your dynamic LED system is designed to be both beautiful and easy to use. With just a few simple steps, you can replace bulbs, pair new bulbs or strips, unpair existing ones, and assign them to the exact zone you want. Thank you again for choosing Dynamic LED. If you ever need anything, our team is always here to help.